Sound setup. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has fiber optic cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. Normally, an AUX cable is not needed, but if there is no sound, please connect the AUX cable. For CCC system, the GND cables should be connected together. If audio distortion occurs, disconnect the GND cables. AUX audio output mode. Step 1. If your phone's Bluetooth is already connected to the original vehicle's Bluetooth, please disconnect it. Step 2. Please turn off Use Car's BD channel option. Step 3. Switch to the OEM system. Set the sound output mode to audio AUX. Please leave the original vehicle system on this page. Touch anywhere on the screen to switch back to the Linux system, and enjoy the CarPlay. Troubleshooting.